Hey everyone, this is Don Plays Games, and today we are going to be doing Terraria. Now, we did some off-camera grinding, sure, but it was mostly the board. What?
And he may or may not have 33 gold.
Yeah, I got gold stacked in a chest because today we're going to get good weapons.
Such as the mini shark.
Maybe might take a wee bit, but sure, we'll try. But yes, we are trying to get his weapon of choice because he's a mage. I am melee, of course, my favorite class ever. Almost entirely because of the Terra Blade, but not entirely. And if you're wondering why I have some gun ammo, it's only because we tried doing this a little bit before and we realized we should stop doing off-camera grinding, quote unquote, and start doing the real game on camera. So we are here to make content, and content we shall make. Now, you think it's still there? It is, I almost have it, I have the Undertaker! Yes! We got the gun from our last attempt. Do you want a gun?
Oh, can I have it?
Yes, of course, but do you want a gun truly? Do you truly want a gun?
Yes, I truly want a gun.
Get out of the chest. You know what? I'm not giving you a gun. Okay, you know what I'm gonna give you? I'll give you nothing. Okay, I'm gonna talk to this dude and I'm gonna sell your gun, in fact. So, do you want a gun?
Yes.
Okay. Did you get it?
Yeah. Yes.
Now.
Yes, you do. I have no bullets.
Yeah, one sec. Let me give them to you. Of course. Alright, this should be enough. Now, what is this? Silver. 5 gold bars. That means I think I can craft a crown. Do you have any gold bars in your inventory?
No, I only have copper.
Okay, to the mine so we can purchase a crown.
I would crown.
Wanna know why? So we can fight that annoying little boss.
Oh.
Yes, we're gonna fight King Slime. Alright, now, go in this direction.
Yeah, Luke moved in.
The arms dealer?
Yeah, the arms dealer moved in fully. I'm gonna just check his happiness.
Okay. We'll go here. Is that platinum or silver?
Because if it's platinum, that would be good.
Yes, so we can craft a crown. This is platinum. 100%. Where is my shovel? Bro, this is only good for dirt. How much digging power does it have? Like 0. Here, I'll take my silver pickaxe to mine platinum.
What does platinum mean?
It means we can craft a crown. But not yet. I need more platinum. More platinum.
Okay, how does that work?
I don't know.
Are we supposed to have like Minecraft physics? Well, it kind of does.
Well, it does.
In a way.
If you land on water, you don't take fall damage.
And I landed on water. Somehow I died.
I doubt you landed on water. You probably landed like to the side, like a little bit.
There we go. Bro, I swear. If there's a ghost, I'm just gonna open fire.
Save it.
Good point.
Because, like, your 3,000 bullets only will last you so long. Why can't this is that really just terrible? Is it that bad? Is
What?
my pickaxe that bad, bro? Why have a grave digger shovel that can only mine dirt? It doesn't have the power to mine non-dirt items.
So it can't even mine a grave.
Nope. Oh my goodness. Oh my.
Oh god, the mini shark is overpowered.
What?
The mini shark is overpowered.
Yeah. Heck yeah, it is.
Bro, there was a zombie and within a few shots, dead.
Yas.
That's what the mini shark does. That's the mini shark?
Is that platinum? No, it's not. Alright. Now, I need
What is
you.
this?
I need
Silver.
Eric, stay there. Stay still. I need to kill you.
Why?
Because. Now, enable PvP.
Why me?
Okay, now you just gotta wait for your respawn and then I can TP to you.
Now you can teleport.
Alright. I should be able to do. Yes. Now, expert mode is pretty hard. Now,
Cool.
I can craft a diamond hook, the longest gem hook.
What does diamond hook mean?
It's a hook that's diamond.
Is it really long? Is it like a grappling hook?
Yeah, it's a diamond hook.
Have yours done?
Maybe, I don't know. Or do you want a blue? I don't know. Let me wait. First things first. Can I craft a crown?
First, second, third, fourth, fifth.
15. How many do I have? I have 15. Huh. I think I might just cry. Maybe, I don't know. craft a crown yet. Here, do you have any lenses? Is what it's called?
Lenses?
Yes.
No, no, I do not. Let me check my chest.
Yeah, it's like a. Any lenses whatsoever? Like, check your main inventory. You should be able to see it.
What's the main inventory?
You know, just press escape in the main inventory with all of your items.
Huh?
Press escape. Now, do you see any lenses?
No,
Not a single thing that looks like.
not a single.
Ooh, a trap chest. Don't mind if I do.
Sure. You know. I can make silver bullet.
Oh, if you want, you can. I'm not saying no to that. I can make a mace. I have a mace. I'll take a mace. Oh, ooh la la, I'll take that. And extractinator, sure. Speaking of that. Now. I got 11 platinum. Now, I need to talk. I need to talk to this man. Platinum. That's a lot. Crown. Oh, ruby. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Wait. Do you have any sand, perhaps? Do you have any sand? Alright. So, we're gonna have a lot of videos about, killing bosses. So, this is gonna be King Slime Part 1. Okay? So, King Slime Part 1, get ready for King Slime Part 2 soon.